Jonathan Grant High is represented by Jerome Kessler, Tashima Doherty, Sanjay Tennant, and Chantel Davy. Dinthill Technical High is represented by Casey Grant, Jadianne James, Dante Norman, and Amelia Perry. Hello everyone, and welcome to the third and deciding match in this quarterfinal series. Jonathan Grant High won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead, but Dinthill Technical High responded and won the second match. Tonight, it's win or go home for either team, with the victor taking a place in the semi-finals. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss, and the Dinthill Technical High won. They decided to send Jonathan Grant High into bat. And so we begin with Jonathan Grant High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Jonathan Grant, we begin with English language. What is a literary term for giving human qualities to non-human beings?
Personification. Personification.
Correct. Dinthill, what is a group of lines called in poetry?
Stanza. Stanza.
Correct. International affairs for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Haitham bin Tariq.
Incorrect. Alex Didier Fils-Aimé, Prime Minister of Haiti. International affairs for Dinthill. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Tariq Rahman.
Tariq Rahman.
Correct. Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Literature for Jonathan Grant. Which West Indian wrote the poem, "This is the dark time, my love"?
Carter. Martin Carter.
Correct. Dinthill, literature, which Jamaican Ghanaian poet penned the 2006 work, A Way of Seeing?
Olive Senior.
Olive Senior.
Incorrect. Kwame Dawes. Jamaican Heritage, Jonathan Grant. In which year was the National Dance Theatre Company, NDTC, founded?
1912.
1912.
Incorrect. 1962. Jamaican Heritage for Dinthill, who is the founder and artistic director of the dance group Le Cadco.
Olive Llewellyn.
Olive Llewellyn.
Incorrect. Lantoinette Steins. Music for Jonathan Grant. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Every day you always make a way. There were times when I was falling on my face.
We are Jamaicans.
Incorrect. No Weapon. Music for Dinthill. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Made a decision that my life is gonna be about God. I may not be famous.
No one like you. No one like you.
Incorrect. On My Knees. Information technology, Jonathan Grant. A computer stores text using ASC2. How many bytes are required to store the heading Cape IT 2026?
16.
Incorrect. 12 bytes. Information technology for Dinthill. A hard drive has a capacity of 1.5 terabytes. In binary terms, how many equivalent gigabytes is this?
So 1,500? 1,500. 1,500.
Incorrect. 1,536 gigabytes. Theatre and cinema for Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Michelle Williams. Michelle Williams.
Correct. Dinthill. Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Octavia Spencer. Octavia Spencer.
Correct. Jonathan Grant, general knowledge. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites?
France. France.
Incorrect. Italy. General knowledge for Dinthill. Which Caribbean island was formerly called St. Christopher?
St. Christopher Island. St. Kitts.
St. Kitts.
Correct. Sports, Jonathan Grant. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Michelle Sandner. Michelle Sandner.
Correct. And sports for Dinthill. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Sanju Samson.
Incorrect. Kuldeep Yadav. And geography for Jonathan Grant. What latitude marks the northern limit of the tropics?
Equator.
No, the Tropic of Cancer. Geography for Dinthill. Which climatic region experiences year-round convectional rainfall?
Tropical. Climate.
Be more specific.
Tropical rainforest climate.
Yes. Mathematics. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Jonathan Grant high on 4, Dinthill Technical high on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns right after these messages.